Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Windows Update cache in Windows 11. Corrupted temporary update files can interfere with the installation process, so manually clear the Windows 11 update cache using Services and File Explorer. You must stop the Windows Update service and delete the contents of the software distribution folder and then restart the service. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. To do that, open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box, we'll type services.msc and press enter. In the services window, scroll down cursor until you find either Windows Update and then right click on the Windows Update and then select stop. It will stop Windows Update. Once done, again open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box, we'll type C:\Windows\software distribution and press enter. Or navigate to this path in the following Explorer and delete all the contents of the folder. You need to delete all the contents of the folder. Press Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus A and then press Shift delete and press enter. It will delete all the contents of these folders. Once done, again back to the services window, open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box, we'll type services.msc and press enter. In the services window, scroll down the cursor until you find either Windows Update and then right click on the Windows Update and select start. You need to start the Windows Update. Once it's done, it will start update service. Once it's done, close the services window. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.